We are going to eat some funky foods tonight. So take your heartburn medicine, buckle up Buttercup, because it's going to be a good ride. Welcome to another episode of Exploring Chongqing with Patrick Freeman, me, your embedded travel host. I can't begin to tell you how excited I am about this next episode, because myself and some friends, we're going to introduce to you one of the more famous dishes here in Chongqing. We're actually going to redefine hole-in-the-wall restaurant to tunnel in the side of a mountain restaurant. Yes, this restaurant and many of these type of restaurants are literally in the side of a mountain. Now, these tunnels once served as bomb shelters during World War II when Japan attacked China. Today, these tunnels, many of these tunnels, serve as hog-wall restaurants or hot pot. And what is that in English?
Seaweed.
Seaweed, that's simple enough.
That one. So one point to count.
So that is seaweed. This is beef?
Yeah, sliced beef.
Sliced beef, all right. Stomach?
Cow stomach.
Cow stomach, yummy. So and this is garlic, all right? We got garlic here.
Is it? Are you sure?
Chives, yeah.
Are you sure this is garlic?
That's about all I can do. What is this?
This is Marcus. He's going in last.
Marcus. And Marcus has the see you tomorrow.
Oh yeah, the see you tomorrow mushrooms.
Explain to me what see you tomorrow is.
Well,
and why it's called see you tomorrow.
Apparently you cannot really digest them properly and then take a deuce the next day. You'll see him again.
Wait.
Shall I?
Yes. Irina's favorite.
Irina, tell us what this is.
So this is pig brain. Alright, in Chinese we have a saying, 吃啥补啥. Yes? So which means if you are lack of intelligence or something, eat more of this, it will help.
Ah.
But I don't need. I have enough.
You do? You
I have
enough?
more than enough.
Fiona, what is this?
Kidney.
Kidney.
Yes, kidney.
Do you like kidney?
You guys.
I like it a lot.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
What is
It's
this?
really good.
We
are not
I've
really
never seen this
close
stuff
to
in my
her.
life.
We just met the first
They
time.
call it. What are they ordering? Cow stomach, pig brain. Where am I?
They call it food. I don't
No wonder they serve this in a bunker.
Well, you know, when the explosions start happening, you've got to be protected.
See
right?
you tomorrow.
You eat much you can. See you tomorrow. Duck intestines.
Here we go.
Duck intestines.
Duck intestines.
All right.
Looks great.
So we have two normal dishes and
Two normal dishes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra on.
We got to
Find a good title for this video.
Yes, exactly. We're going to call it Death by Gluttony.
Oh God, yeah.
So one of the key elements in a hot pot meal is mixing up garlic. You mix it in with sesame oil, chives, and a couple of other little spices to dip your hot pot, you know, whatever you decide to get, whether it's meat or vegetables. You dip this inside a little bowl with the sesame oil and the other spices, and I'll show that to you in a second.
It adds flavor.
It's like 8 Duck intestines. Very tasty.
How do you know?
How do you know that?
No, that is.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to eat this stomach.
Cow stomach.
Cow stomach. Okay.
好吃吗？
好好吃。Chewy.
If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever.
If you've ever had menudo in Texas, this is very similar to menudo, but a lot more spicy. Doesn't have quite the strong taste as menudo, but it's tasty. Wow, I love it. Mark is he taught me how to say another beer in Chinese, another bottle. 再来一瓶. Is that right?
Yes. 再来一瓶.
Yeah. Lan?
辣 which means spicy,
Spicy.
and sliced beef 牛肉片. Gong cai in Chinese.
Gong cai?
Gong cai, yes.
And what is it? It looks like cut grass.
Yeah, it is, but tasty. 很好吃. I like it, yes.
In the food market.
好好吃.
So how long do you cook this?
So I saw this guy the other day.
5 minutes?
5 minutes? I'm gonna smell it.
What's it smell like?
It smells like cut grass. I think somebody just mowed their lawn and took the grass clippings and put it here, because that's what it smells like. Whenever you go to a restaurant, whether it's chuan chuan or a hot pot restaurant, and you'll see people toasting each other, you'll see the person that has the most respect, authority, right? Is that the right way to say it?
Yeah.
Has the most respect and authority. The person on the lower pecking order, they tip the glass towards the bottom, showing respect to the person that's in the room. So if it's a family and the father's there, then the children will, honor the father by toasting the glass at the lower part of the glass. So it's interesting to see, because you see people literally fight over toasting positions and showing their humility and tipping the lowest to the person that's highest at the table. So it's very interesting and actually fun to watch, because there's almost this fighting of classes, who's lower, who's respecting more. So now we're getting ready to dump in the pig brain, and we're going to eat it. Here we go. There it is.
That's not small.
Okay, half. Half maybe. Okay, half.
Half a brain.
Okay, thank you. God, can I just eat this piece? My God.
Here she goes.
Okay, so this is pig brain. Disgusting.
Look at Marcus's face.
Okay, I'm trying.
Yes.
You're the next one.
I'm next. She did it.
It doesn't look like a happy face.
This is where she says it's actually not bad.
She's right. It's just like tofu.
Yeah.
Like tofu?
It doesn't taste anything weird.
Charisse.
Are you trying to distract?
Yeah, I am. Totally am. Hey, you ready?
Yeah, go.
You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm eating a bigger piece of this than you are, Irina. I hope you see this. I mean, look at me when I eat this.
Oh my God, you're trying bigger.
I'm going full turtle.
You are going like.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
We're ready. Viewers are ready.
I won't eat this unless you subscribe to Patrick's channel, all right?
That's what I like.
Like, bell, subscribe.
And the verdict is.
You know what? That actually tastes pretty good.
Really?
It actually isn't bad at all. It's creamy. It's just like, I wouldn't say tofu, I would say cheese. What? The consistency is cheese, more so than tofu. You ready for this?
This is for you, people. This is for you, and it's worth at least 1 million subscribers, or at least like 1 thumbs up would be good. All right.
Just one's good.
Pigbrain.
I don't know what to make of that face.
It's much softer than I thought. It does have a kind of a cheesy texture to it.
Second.
I don't know. I don't know.
It's hard to say, right?
It really is.
Like,
It's-
you don't really know what to tell people after you put brain in your mouth.
It might be like an acquired taste type thing. It's not as funky as I thought it would be.
Nah.
That's 3.
That's 3. He's outdone us all.
I know. Not bad. So one of the reasons why we came to this hot pot restaurant is because it has it's got a tunnel that was built back in World War II, which connects to another tunnel, and they gave us kind of free reign to walk into the tunnel. And I brought some my flashlight, and we're gonna walk in here and see what it looks like. Watch out for the spiders.
Oh man.
That just makes it really gives it a good feel, doesn't
That's
it?
a great start.
Yes, it is.
We haven't even entered the cave yet.